Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And when I was growing up, I used to go to the Radio Shack stores and the Lafayette stores, and then there was a couple of individual company stores around, and that's how I kind of got hooked on electronics. And I was about to do a show on one of Jeff's radios that he loaned me, and it is a Radio Shack radio. It's about 1990, 2000 vintage, right at the end there when they were struggling to stay open. So I did a search on the internet, and I came up on this website, the Radio Shack website, and it says we're renovating. And so I said, well, that's good. So then I looked down here. Okay, oh, here's the story. And it talks about the history. And then it says, in 2023, this year, Unicumber Group acquired Radio Shack's intellectual property and assets in 70 countries around the world, including the United States, Canada, Europe, and China, and aims to manage the business of technology products with excellent generating long-term profitability relationships with our partners. I guess that's sellers. Do we want to continue developing a business? Doesn't say when they're going to open. Some pretty pictures. Those probably are old stores. There's their products. Click on that. Nope, nothing there. Click on this. Nothing there. So this is all they got. They got no products. I'll come up here. Products. This takes me to that picture. No products. So you can look at some things they're going to sell, but that's about it. So I didn't get any information on this radio of Jeff's that I'm going to show you in the next show. But at least I got this information that there is a possibility someday, sometime, the Radio Shack stores will open back up. Now, in the day, within, I would say, a 10-mile radius, we had about 10 Radio Shack stores of various size. And some of them were Radio Shack totally owned stores, and some were dealerships that could buy products from Radio Shack and sell them. And there was one that was only half a mile from me. They're gone. They're all gone. So maybe they'll come back, and maybe they'll still sell this radio that Jeff has. It's like I say, a 1990s to 2000 vintage AM, FM, shortwave. There's 12 bands and long wave. I'm going to show you that pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.